Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to generate PDF from Airtable Linked Records using PDF.co and Zapier. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. Before we start, let's review the Airtable table structure. We have two tables, Invoice and Product. Within the Invoice table, we are using Product Linked Records. For Products table, contains of name, price, and invoice linked records. So let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. And add the Airtable app. Next, choose the new record. Let's set up the trigger. First, enter your Airtable base. Next, select Invoice for table. Then click Review. Now, let's test the Airtable trigger and review the result data. The test trigger was successful. We can now add another app. In the next step, we need to execute JavaScript code to format this data. Let's add the code by Zapier action. And choose Run JavaScript to response data from Airtable trigger. Next, let's set up the action. We'll be adding input data for Airtable output like invoice number, company name, invoice date, product names, and product prices. Then input the JavaScript code contains the trigger data. Let's run the JavaScript code. The JavaScript runs successfully. These output property contains all stringified JSON data that will be sent to PDF.co. Now, let's add the PDF.co app. And choose the HTML to PDF converter. Let's configure the HTML to PDF converter. First, add your HTML template ID. You can create an HTML template ID to the link in description box below. Next, add the HTML template data value from the JavaScript object that we've created. Now, let's test the PDF.co action. The PDF.co successfully processed our request. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the generated PDF containing all invoice information with dynamic product data. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.